Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, June 27th, 2023. It's a few minutes before 5 p.m. and Freckles and I are here doing a real quick little GoPro audio test. This is testing the regular mod box that I use in front of the helmet, plugged into a helmet microphone. But in this case, I'm testing how the sound will work at like camps and whether or not I can use a lapel mic that I just purchased, so we'll be testing that in a couple seconds. As long as we're testing the audio, I thought I might share a fun little preparation detail for the Canada trip. Frex and I are leaving Saturday morning. Here is Freckles' new transport. In this case, this one, he will have all kinds of options. Rain, I can close everything up if it starts raining really hard. But if it's raining hard, more likely I would just close this, leave his little side vents open for air. But here's the little detail that I think will help him out a lot. In the past, his black carrier, if I had to run inside to grab some snacks at a grocery store or use the bathroom or something like that, the black carrier just soaks up the solar radiation and he gets really hot. And so this time I remembered, right, Bubba?
My little baby boy? Yes.
I got him a white solar shield, otherwise known as just a little umbrella, cheap, that I can then sit in his little carrier, and that will provide him not only shade and fresh air, but also, again, it'll reflect all the solar radiation so he won't heat up from the sun. He'll be able to just chill and most of the time hopefully nap, right buddy? The background of ACs, Bible voice, Freckles and I's sound check outside. Just the regular mic on the standard mod box. I'm gonna try the lapel microphone, see if that might be helpful for distance shots. That's the sound of me talking and a jet going over without the lapel mic. Now I'm inserting the lapel mic. Test. Alright, now we're going to see the proximity, see how far away we can walk with the lapel mic. Hey little squirrel. You taking a little dust bath, squirrely? This is like and a shot on vacay that I'd want to narrate. Testing the microphone. Can hear little prairie dogs barking. There is some wind, but the mic probably won't even pick that up. Probably just my voice. All right, sound test. 1, 2, 3. Sound test. Might be helpful.